M0FXB, welcome back to the channel and my videos on the Depmicro system for the Aor Dv10 and Dv1. To download this software, go to the link I provide here from David, depmicro.com/en/. Go to downloads, scroll down, and the one that I used, and this is what the software looks like by the way, and the one that I used, go down, is the zip. I just click the zip here, go straight to your downloads folder, click that and create a new folder on your desktop and extract it to that folder. So to create a new desktop, a new folder, you literally just go on your desktop, right click on your blank desktop here, new folder, and then give it a name, you know, Dv10, and I've got one here called Dv10 at the top. Now connect your cable to your device. You can see mine is here, square micro USB. Just plug it in there into your PC, and then at the bottom of your screen you've got the Windows squares. Right click, go to Device Manager, look at your ports here, ports, double click, and you've got COM11, okay, just here, USB serial device COM11. Now double click the folder where you put the program and you'll get your folder open up here, and then here there's the actual open. You can right click that and create a shortcut if you want, but double click and the software is going to open. There it is there. So on the bottom left here, you've got these traffic lights. You've got to connect and disconnect, but the first thing you want to do is select your COM port. So ours was 11. Click that, and then now hit the first one, and you're going to connect live to the radio, as you can see. Now this software was, the owner David has a Dv10, so the Dv1, although it does work, you know, it's been developed using the Dv10. So at the moment we're on airband, as you can see. We can select different steps. Let's do the 833 one. We go plus and minus, as you can see. But this video is about memories. So go to down here, I'll just briefly show you. Let's put it onto auto anyway. And you've got options here, settings, squelch is on auto at the moment. You can change the contrast here if you want to, which, as you sort of see, you should be able to see that that's changing the contrast. Decoding options for DMR, GSSI and traffic settings. VFO-A, VFO-B, VFO-Z, record, and then you can go up and down to change the frequency there, and to turn on the meter. Watch this, SWR meter, activate, and it starts to work. And there you are. We can double click and we can type a frequency if we want, and it will go to that frequency 145.600 and go enter, and you can see that the scanner has gone to that frequency. So anyway, back to the memory. So go to your memory bank here and click the down arrow. It's going to download what's on your SD card. Now we've only got one bank created here, so let's create a new bank. So the existing bank is this one here. If you double click, see it says 00, it loads my memory channels, yeah? If we go to the blank bank and double click, it's going to load nothing because there is nothing. Now to create that bank, we just go put the name in here, and we're going to call it, let's call it repeaters. So the repeaters, like so. You'll see you're typing in at the bottom, yeah? And then you're going to go save. And you just here, there, and it's created that now. So if I double click it, there's nothing in the repeater memories, but it starts to show what's in there. Yes, there is something in there. Look, 150. 150. Let's go to the next one. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150 So go to bank number 2. And we'll select at the bottom, we'll call it PMR. And then we'll save. Now saved that, we have 3 banks now. Let's double click it. So it looks like within those banks there were channels. I just hadn't named the banks. So the first 0 is from 0 to 49. Click the next bank. And it goes from 100 to 149. And then the next one. We've got those. What's in bank 3? Go to bank 3, see if there's anything in there. Yeah, it's got some channels in there. So let's go back to the ham one, the first one, which is 0 to 50. Let's name a couple and create one new one. So if we go to channel 16, okay, and at the bottom here we can put in the frequency, 434.550. That's at the very bottom here. And then we'll change the step back to 5. Now watch the radio. I'm not sure if it says anything when we save, but we'll try it. So we put the frequency, we can add a name as well. We'll call that one HubNet. And now we're going to go save. There you go. And that's in there. Now I'm not seeing write to SD card at the moment, but you can transfer everything that is on the radio's memory onto the SD card. I'm not sure if it's doing it right now, but if it's not, just click in the save here and here. If it's not, you can transfer it. So that's how you add a memory channel and a bank. So hopefully that will help. I need some more time with this anyway, but you can see now if we want to scan through, just press the play here and it starts to scan our different memories. Let's turn it up.
MWC region clear, but I am monitoring.
There you are, it's scanning. Scanning everything in that bank by the looks of it. Let's try the next bank. Go to the next bank and then go play. And it's scanning away. Bye for now, 7-3.